Okay, so we are coming to the end of our first day with Penny. Day 1 over. She's currently
passed out,
almost under the couch. We had about 2 hour, 20-minute drive to go get her. Yeah. Kind of a quick turnaround with the whole coronavirus and social distancing. So that was weird trying to interact with the breeder, and you can't really shake their hand or talk to them too much, but they were awesome. It was Wendy and Ed, so they were super nice, and we're really happy. And we got Penny, and she did great. She cried a little bit for the first couple of minutes on the way home, and then immediately fell asleep in Susan's lap. And she's been going through these hour and 15-minute cycles of playing really hard for 15 minutes and then crashing for an hour and
waking up and doing it all again. We had a couple potty accidents.
Yep, so she peed in the house twice and she pooped once, but she peed outside twice too, so
that's like
we're doing okay on our first day average.
Yeah.
I guess that's to be expected, but she's so cute, it doesn't really matter. And we will be giving you more updates as Penny grows up day to day and see what it's like to have a golden retriever from day 1.
Penny is learning to pee outside, and she is learning sit. You so nicely taught her sit. She knows that pretty well, but it hasn't even been 24 hours, so we have to make sure she remembers. Penny has also gone for a drive, and she went to the park for the first time ever. We held her the entire time so she didn't have to walk because she doesn't have all of her shots. And we had a lot of people comment from a distance, because we are socially distancing, about how cute she was. So it was fun to be popular at the park. And she got a little scared at one point and started whimpering. So we did, oh, here comes the cat. Oh, big stretch, Peter.
Oh, hi, Peter.
Peter in the frame. And so when she started crying a little bit, we turned around and went back to the car. But she was really good in the car. She fell asleep both on the way to the, don't get his butthole. And she passed out on all of the car rides, which is good. I'm hoping that she's a calm dog in the car. You just gotta tucker them out first. But we've gotten her to pee outside, right outside of our building, 3 times, 2 times.
She's peed
She's peed
3 times now, yeah.
She's peed 3 times out there. Yeah. 4 times today. Good girl. Gonna get comfy? Good girl. And we're hoping that she poops more outside. We're kind of waiting right now for another poop to happen, and we're worried it's gonna happen inside. So we're keeping an eye on how she's running around, and if she starts running like crazy in circles, then we are picking her up and running her outside. But she keeps barking at the cat, so we have to work on that.